Space, vast, mysterious. From planets that rain metal to stars that could erase us from existence, today I'm taking you on a cosmic journey through 10 mind-blowing space facts. Stick around till the end because number 7 will blow your mind, and number 1, well, it's something scientists still can't fully explain. Neutron stars are the collapsed cores of massive stars that exploded as supernovas. They're incredibly dense. Imagine squeezing something 1.4 times the mass of our sun into a sphere only about 20 kilometers across. A single sugar cube-sized chunk of a neutron star would weigh about 1 billion tons. That's like trying to pick up Mount Everest with a spoon. Some of them rotate hundreds of times per second, creating what we call pulsars, cosmic lighthouses that sweep beams of radiation across the cosmos. Neutron stars are a testament to the incredible, mind-bending power of the universe at its most extreme. 12 billion light-years away, lurking in the heart of a distant quasar, lies a colossal cloud of water vapor. This isn't just any ordinary rain cloud. We're talking about a reservoir of H2O so vast, it dwarfs our planet's oceans by an unfathomable degree. How unfathomable? Try 140 trillion times the amount of water on Earth. This discovery is a stark reminder that water, the very essence of life as we know it, is not unique to our planet. It exists in staggering quantities throughout the cosmos, hinting at the possibility of other water worlds and perhaps even life as we don't know it. We all know that Earth takes about 365 days to orbit the Sun, and that a day is 24 hours long. But on Venus, our closest planetary neighbor, things are different. Venus rotates so slowly that a single rotation on its axis takes a whopping 243 Earth days. That's right, a day on Venus is longer than its year, which lasts only 225 Earth days. This bizarre quirk of Venus's rotation is just one of the many mysteries that make our solar system such a fascinating and endlessly surprising place. When we think of planets, we typically picture them orbiting a star, much like the Earth revolves around the Sun. But scattered throughout the vast expanse of our galaxy, and likely countless others, are celestial nomads known as rogue planets. These are planets that have been ejected from their star systems, flung out into the interstellar void to wander the cosmos alone. Imagine a planet, perhaps similar in size and composition to Earth, drifting through the galaxy with no sun to warm it. These rogue planets, shrouded in perpetual darkness and unimaginable cold, might seem like desolate wastelands. The universe is full of surprises, and rogue planets are a compelling reminder that our current understanding of planetary systems is far from complete. Space is cold, really cold, but there are pockets of the cosmos that are colder than others, and then there's the Boomerang Nebula, located 5,000 light-years away in the constellation Centaurus. The Boomerang Nebula holds the record for the coldest known place in the universe at 1 degree Kelvin. This star is expelling gas and dust at incredible speeds, creating a sort of cosmic refrigerator effect that's rapidly cooling the nebula. We've talked about the sights and sounds of space, but what about the smells? Well, if you ask astronauts who've had the privilege of spacewalking, they might surprise you. Upon returning from their extravehicular excursions, many astronauts report that their spacesuits carry a peculiar aroma. And it's not the fresh scent of alien flowers or the clean smell of a vacuum. Imagine the sizzle of a well-seared steak, the metallic tang of welding fumes, or the pungent aroma of gunpowder. That's the scent of space, according to those who've had a whiff. These molecules are created in the fiery death throes of stars, and they linger in the interstellar medium, clinging to spacesuits and other surfaces. We've all experienced the refreshing feeling of rain on a hot day, but on the exoplanet WASP-76b, located about 640 light-years from Earth, rain takes on a whole new meaning. This gas giant, tidally locked to its star, experiences scorching temperatures on its dayside, soaring well over 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to vaporize metals like iron. As these metallic vapors are carried by powerful winds to the cooler night side of the planet, they condense and fall as molten metal rain. This bizarre phenomenon is a testament to the extreme conditions found on some exoplanets, reminding us that our own solar system, for all its wonders, is just a small sample of the incredible diversity of worlds that populate the universe. There's a planet made of diamonds. Meet 55 Cancri E, a super-Earth exoplanet located about 40 light-years away in the constellation Cancer. This planet is twice the size of Earth and 8 times more massive. But here's the real kicker: 55 Cancri E is thought to be composed primarily of carbon. And under the immense pressure and heat deep within its interior, that carbon could crystallize, forming a planet-sized diamond. Scientists estimate that this cosmic bling could be worth a staggering $26.9 million. That's a 26 followed by 30 zeros. The universe has a color. We often think of space as a vast, black canvas dotted with stars. But did you know that the universe actually has a color? In 2002, a team of astronomers from Johns Hopkins University set out to determine the average color of the universe. They analyzed the light from over 200,000 galaxies, combining their spectra into a single cosmic spectrum. The result? A rather underwhelming shade of beige, which they named cosmic latte. We don't know what 95% of the universe is. Here's a humbling thought. Despite all our scientific advancements, we still don't know what most of the universe is made of. The atoms that make up everything we see and interact with, from stars and planets to you and me, account for only about 5% of the universe's total mass and energy. The remaining 95% is made up of something else, something mysterious and unknown. We call them dark matter and dark energy. Dark energy is a hypothetical form of energy that permeates all of space and is thought to be responsible for the accelerating expansion of the universe. Space is full of wonders, mysteries, and weirdness that challenge everything we think we know. The more we learn, the more questions we have, and that's the best part. Now it's your turn. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone. And if you love space as much as I do, hit that like button, subscribe for weekly cosmic content, and share this video with someone who loves the stars. Until next time, keep looking up.